I'm Jon Blizzard, host of the hit podcast that no one listens to, Ubercast X. And let me tell you something about being tough. I grew up in the mean streets, and an average day for me consists of kicking at least 3 asses. And my currency of choice is other people's teeth, baby. So, ask not, am I tough enough to be on the show? Ask, is anyone tough enough to compete with me? Now to prove it, how tough I am, I got some luchador friends here with me. And I'm gonna have them show you how tough I really am. That's good. No more.
Amigo, ¿qué te pasa? Estás llorando. Seguro es por desdenes de mujeres. No hay golpe.
The universe, you've never seen a greater man.
El desprecio de esos seres.